In the annals of scientific history, few names command as much reverence as Albert Einstein. Beyond his groundbreaking theories of relativity and contributions to physics, the intrigue surrounding Einstein's genius extends to the very organ that housed his extraordinary intellect, his brain. The story of how Einstein's brain differed from that of an average individual is one that continues to captivate scientists, scholars, and enthusiasts alike. Join us on an intellectual journey as we explore the mysteries encoded in the neural networks of one of humanity's greatest minds, brought to you by Knowledge Matrix, Einstein's Brain, a unique neurological canvas. After Albert Einstein died in 1955, neurology experienced a remarkable period of development. With a sharp eye for scientific discovery, pathologist Thomas Stultz Harvey painstakingly removed and preserved Einstein's brain, setting out to unravel the mysterious neuronal architecture that supported the brilliant mind that changed science. Harvey's painstaking analysis of Einstein's brain turned up a number of fascinating abnormalities. There was an exceptional expansion in the parietal lobes, which are important for mathematical processing and spatial reasoning, indicating a heightened aptitude for spatial cognition. Furthermore, it was discovered that the Sylvian fissure, a deep groove that divides the temporal and parietal lobes, is asymmetrical and unusually deep, which may have contributed to Einstein's extraordinary capacity for fusing dissimilar ideas. Neuroscientists seeking to understand the brain foundations of Einstein's unmatched genius were enthused by these findings and engaged in a heated dispute. Some ascribed his extraordinary skills to these physical quirks, while others warned against making firm judgments based on a single case study. Einstein's brain continues to serve as a symbol of the extraordinary diversity and malleability of the human mind, notwithstanding the continuous controversy. His remarkable brilliance and the distinct structural characteristics of his brain never cease to astound scientists and lay people alike, advancing the investigation into the cerebral underpinnings of human genius. Exceptional neuronal density. Harvey made a groundbreaking discovery after carefully dissecting Einstein's brain: an exceptionally high neuronal density, especially in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for sophisticated cognitive processes like reasoning, decision-making, and problem-solving. Given that this neuronal density was so much higher than that of the ordinary brain, it was possible that Einstein's brain was exceptionally capable of complex mental processes. Known as the conductor of the brain, the prefrontal cortex is in charge of combining data from many parts of the brain to allow us to plan, decide, and regulate our actions. Einstein's prefrontal cortex included an astonishing number of neurons, suggesting that the brain's neural machinery was capable of efficiently coordinating intricate mental processes. An explosion of research into how neural density affects cognitive capacities resulted from this finding. Researchers started examining the possibility that intelligence may be influenced by the quantity of neurons in particular brain regions. Even though research on the connection between neuronal density and intelligence is still underway, Einstein's brain offers an interesting case study, indicating that a high concentration of neurons in key brain regions could serve as a basis for extraordinary cognitive ability. More glial cells. Although neurons were formerly thought to be the main drivers of brain activity, the complex dance of glial cells, viewed as just supporting actors, has come to be recognized as a crucial component of cognitive processes. An interesting finding was that glial cells, especially astrocytes, the most common kind of glial cell, were remarkably abundant in Einstein's brain. This discovery cast doubt on the widely held belief that neurons alone are the source of cognitive ability and sparked a new line of inquiry into the possible role of glial cells in intelligence. Astrocytes promote neuronal activity in a variety of ways thanks to their vast network of branching processes. They help with food exchange, give neurons structural support, and control the delicate balance of neurotransmitters. The higher concentration of astrocytes in Einstein's brain indicated that he had more ability to do these vital tasks, which may have contributed to his extraordinary cognitive abilities. This finding changed the course of neuroscience by highlighting the complex interactions between glial cells and neurons that shape human intelligence. Unique folding patterns. The brain's surface is marked by convolutions known as gyri and sulci. Einstein's brain displayed unique folding patterns, particularly in the Sylvian fissure, a deep groove associated with language processing. The distinctiveness of these folds hinted at a brain that might have been optimized for certain cognitive functions. Nature versus nurture, unraveling the origins of Einstein's genius. The revelation of Einstein's unique brain structure inevitably ignited the age-old debate of nature versus nurture. Did his genius spring from inherent neurological advantages, or were environmental factors and experiences the primary architects of his intellect? Genetic predisposition. Studies have consistently shown a correlation between genetic inheritance and cognitive ability, even though the precise mechanisms by which genetics influence IQ remain obscure. While not quite chock full of Nobel laureates, Albert Einstein's family did have a number of highly educated people. Einstein's intellectual prowess most likely grew out of a strong genetic foundation that this genetic inclination provided. Hermann Einstein, his father, was an engineer and inventor who showed a knack for technological inventiveness and problem-solving. Pauline Koch, his mother, was musically inclined and fostered in her son a desire and love of learning. These inherited characteristics, together with Einstein's distinct brain composition, formed the foundation of his remarkable intelligence. Neuroplasticity and environmental factors. The idea of neuroplasticity, the brain's amazing capacity to adapt and remodel itself in response to experience, counterbalances the impact of heredity and suggests that Einstein's brain was significantly shaped by his surroundings. His early exposure to music, which he loved all of his life, probably encouraged the growth of brain connections linked to creativity, abstract thought, and pattern identification. Furthermore, the early years he spent interacting with prominent scientists and philosophers created a stimulating intellectual atmosphere that developed his curiosity, critical thinking ability, and problem-solving capabilities. These external factors probably worked in concert with his natural genetic tendencies to produce the remarkable brain architecture that served as the foundation for Einstein's brilliance. The impact of Einstein's brain on neuroscience. While Einstein's brain remains a subject of fascination, it is essential to recognize that singular brain features do not encapsulate the complexities of genius. The field of neuroscience has evolved significantly since Harvey's examination, and today, researchers emphasize the interconnectedness of various brain regions and the importance of studying brains in their entirety. Einstein's legacy, beyond the physical brain, beyond the anatomical peculiarities, Einstein's legacy is a testament to the synergy of intellectual prowess, creativity, and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. His ability to conceptualize complex theories and challenge existing paradigms extended far beyond the physical confines of his brain. Creative thinking and relativity. Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. His unparalleled ability to think creatively, to visualize complex scenarios in his mind's eye, allowed him to conceptualize ideas that seemed inconceivable to others. Intuition and scientific insight. Einstein often spoke about the role of intuition in his scientific endeavors. While grounded in rigorous scientific methodology, his intuition guided him toward breakthroughs that transcended traditional approaches. This intuitive aspect of his thinking showcased the dynamic interplay between logic and imagination. Lifelong learning and curiosity. Einstein's insatiable curiosity and commitment to lifelong learning were integral to his genius. He approached problems with a childlike wonder, perpetually questioning and challenging assumptions. This attitude toward learning and exploration remains a beacon for aspiring minds across the globe. Conclusion: decoding the enigma. As we delve into the mysteries of Einstein's brain, we encounter a narrative that combines the biological with the philosophical, the scientific with the speculative. The uniqueness of Einstein's neural architecture undoubtedly offers insights into the physical substrates of genius, but it also underscores the limitations of reducing brilliance to a mere anatomical blueprint. While Einstein's brain provides a window into the physical aspects of his genius, the true essence of his legacy lies in the synergy of intellect, imagination, and an unwavering dedication to unraveling the secrets of the universe. The enigma of Einstein's brain serves as a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge transcends the boundaries of the tangible, inviting us to explore the infinite possibilities that lie within the intricate folds of our own minds. What are your thoughts on the complexities of Einstein's brain and the nature of genius? Join the conversation in the comments below.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out these other clips from Knowledge Matrix and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.